Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic for JE mains and NEET. Acidic and basic nature in acidic in organic chemistry. According to Bronsted-Lowry acids and Lowry acids of equilibrium, acid is that one which donate the proton mean H plus. Base is that one which accept the H plus ions. Okay. For example, consider a ROH. In ROH, cleavage of OH molecules RO minus plus H plus. ROH, alcohol is donating H plus ion, so it is an acid. For example, another example is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, cleavage of OH molecules RCO minus plus H plus. And in the similar way of phenol. But we have to note here that the negative charge is stabilized by the minus M and minus I effect. For example, here negative charge, here donating of ROH, donating of hydrogen from the ROH, we will get RO minus. It is stabilized by negative I effects because negative I and negative M effect because it is a negative charge. In the similar way, if you take about a basic nature means acceptance of H plus ions. Here the positive charge will be stabilized by a positive groups for positive electron migration effect groups like plus M and plus I effect. More the stability. We can in our exam mainly the negative M effect includes NO2 and CN and plus M OH NH3. Minus I effect includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and few electronegative elements like oxygen, nitrogen, and the plus I effect includes metals in sodium, magnesium, aluminum. Now let us see basic nature. Basic nature is that one which will accept H plus ions. Here NH3 accepting H plus giving NH4 plus. You have to note that positive charge here the acceptance of NH3 and by a proton we will get a overall NH4 plus ammonium ion. Here it is a positive charge. So positive charge will be stabilized by positive groups like positive M effect and positive effect. So for example of positive M effect, I repeated that OH and NH3. We should note that plus M is more stable than the plus I effect and minus M is more stable than minus I effect. If you see here, for example, if you see ROH, RCOH and RROH, primary alcohol, secondary, tertiary. In primary alcohol, there is only one alkyl group donating. Here 3, but it is negative. Negative will be stabilized by negative effect, but they are positive effect. So least stable will be, so high stable order will be primary, secondary and tertiary. If you look at the basic character, it will be vice versa because here positive charge will be stabilized by positive groups. More the positive groups, more the plus I and plus M groups, more will be the stability. Here tertiary is greater stability, secondary then primary and another. So it is a so more the stability, more will be the acidic and basic nature of its vice versa.